Today we're diving into Mandarin Chinese pronouns. Let's explore how to use I, we, you, he, she, and our in Mandarin. In Mandarin, I is said as war. It's a fundamental pronoun to express oneself in conversation or writing. When referring to a group, we is said as war men. It's essential for inclusive communication and teamwork. The pronoun you is expressed as ni. You might recognize it from the common greeting ni hao ma. For he and she, we use ta and ta respectively. These are crucial for talking about others. Lastly, our is said as war, men, der. It's vital for expressing possession and belonging. Now that you have the key pronouns down, stay tuned for our next video. In that video, we'll cover power verbs like am, is, are, want, give, buy, and more. With just these 2 short videos, you will be able to construct your own sentences in Mandarin Chinese. Keep learning and expanding your language skills.